Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to log out of your Deriv account. Before I show you how to do that, I just need to explain that these videos are done for those people that are just getting started on the Deriv platform, and it's a series of videos that we are doing. So what you're trying to do is to get into the mind of someone who is just getting started and they need to navigate on the platform for Deriv. If you haven't seen some of those videos, please go ahead and check the description. I've added a link that will take you to some of the videos that I've actually done. And also, before I show you how to log out, make sure that you have actually downloaded this ebook, Learn How to Trade Stocks the Smart Way. It's a very great ebook that covers quite a number of things like the basics of CFD trading, stocks indices, the basics and rise and fall assessment stocks, and assessing stock market seasonality. So there's quite a number of things that this ebook covers. So all you have to do is to enter your email address and click on the link in the description. It will take you to this book where you're actually going to learn that. So let us go ahead and cover what we have actually the purpose for this topic. So now we are going to show you how to log out of your account. So most people, they're going to be using an application like this. It could be on your phone, it could be on different places. So the first thing that you do is creating a demo account. I've shown you how to create a demo account in the previous video. So all you have to do now in this video is, probably you have actually been going through the dashboard and things like that. All you have to do is to go where the amount is. This is the demo account and it's got 10,000, and you have to do is to click on that amount. And as you can see there, you're going to see a logout button, and there you have it. All you have to do is just to click on the logout. And once you click on the logout, you're going to notice that there isn't much difference, but the difference that you can see there is this one. You can see now there's the login and the logout and the sign up button. It simply means that you have not logged into your account. So if you need to log in, you just click on that and then put in your details. I'm going to show you how to log in your account. So with that being said, I really wanted to show you how to log out of your account. This was a very quick video. If you have any questions for me, please leave a comment below this video. We are creating a series of how to use Deriv, especially if you're just a beginner. Again, let me emphasize on the importance of downloading this ebook, How to Trade Stocks the Smart Way. You can find the link below this video. It will take you to this place where you can actually download the ebook and learn. With that being said, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye for now.